Welcome to Rockstar Massage. Here on Rockstar Massage, we'll talk about stuff that no one will talk about. Plus, tips and tricks to make you a rock star in your massage therapy career.
Oh hey, welcome to Rockstar Massage. I'm your host, Leia Lockheart. It was my birthday! But now it's over, so let's get back to business. Today's topic is about putting the client's feelings first. Let me explain. Your client comes in and tells you they are going through a stressful period of time and are currently in a heightened emotional state. That means you are going to be massaging for that emotion. Heightened emotional states trump everything. That means you won't be working on any chronic issues. Your client tells you their dog just died, their grandmother just died, their parents are getting a divorce, they just ran over a squirrel, and they're breaking up in their current relationship, they're getting a divorce, something like this. If they are feeling that emotional feeling, that vulnerable feeling, you will be massaging accordance to that feeling. You now will be doing a comforting, nurturing massage to where we can calm that nervous system down, turn on their dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and not probably endorphins, but all the other happy chemicals, so they can be able to deal with the stress that is currently happening and deal with it better. Here is a story I filmed weeks ago that paints a picture of why this subject matter is important. Enjoy. Now, let me tell you about a story in which I failed. Now, I once had a client that just lost a loved one and was dealing with all the affairs of that death in the family. And she just came in to take care of herself for a moment. But she was just a vulnerable human being on the verge of tears. So I said, okay, yeah, let's just have some love and some nurturing. Now during the intake, she tells me about some chronic issues she's been having due to her work. And so basically she wanted me to just give her some love and some nurturing, but then also mentioned the chronic work thing. So I'm gonna do what she asks. So while I was just giving her all the vibes and all the love, and I then had to kind of dig in deeper for her computer back situation. Now that was the wrong call. When she got it from the table, and I saw her face to face with her mask on, I was like, are you okay? And she's like, yeah, and just like walked off. I was like, oh no. So later on, I asked the owner, like, was she okay? She was not. She got out into the lobby, she was crying, and she said she felt worse than how she came in. What would I have done differently? I would have suggested to just work on the nurturing aspect of things that she needed at that moment to calm down her nervous system, to give her emotional support and love, and not focus on the work-related body issues. Because what those deep pressure points were emotional trigger. This is what I should have done.
I am a fairy nymph and I'm here to spread joy and peace.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Rockstar Massage. I hope you found the information beneficial. Please give it a like, subscribe, notify, and we appreciate you so much, don't we, baby? Peace and love, y'all.